Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the sensitivity settings on the Marvel Rivals game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marvel Rivals game on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into the homepage after logging in. Now from here, if you wish to change the sensitivity settings, just click on the gear icon at the top right corner and then click on Settings. You will now be taken into your settings page, from which, in order to change the sensitivity settings, go ahead and click on Keyboard. Now underneath the combat options, you will see your mouse settings, where you can define your horizontal as well as vertical sensitivity level. Just use the slider and move it to the right in order to increase your sensitivity and move it to the left in order to decrease it. After choosing your sensitivity level for both vertical and horizontal axes, you may also choose to set the inversion option for the horizontal as well as vertical axes. After choosing your desired level of sensitivity, you can go back and start your game, and your settings have been applied right away. You can also change these settings mid-game by pausing the game and going back to settings at any time that you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the sensitivity settings on the Marvel Rivals game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.